What's up? Vlog 17 here.
Vlog 17, what are you doing?
Editing vlog 16.
We're back from midterm. How did you like midterm?
No, it was amazing.
It was beautiful.
But we're not going to show anything because we didn't record anything.
We didn't record anything, but it was...
I went to Croatia. That's true.
True, you biked to Croatia.
Yeah. And also swimming, so I guess, yeah.
It was really cool and we met a lot of cool people. I mean, we knew a lot of cool people already, but we spent time with them.
I think that's enough for the intro.
Yes, it's enough. Cut the camera.
I
Next
organized like next week because it's a really important week. So I just put what we are going to do, that is vacation.
Vacation.
And then this is like Jane and Lisa, they are in Italy.
Exactly.
Like not exactly in the beach, but sometimes they will go to the beach. And he has a hat to like...
We're going to the beach.
We're not at all going to the beach, but whatever.
Trieste we might go to the beach.
And you have
Beach.
pizza.
Mamma mia.
This is Jenny, that is drinking juice because, yeah, juice.
Okay.
We cannot say juice.
Juice?
And she's like enjoying her time, just like super chill, and this is the sea, Croatia, and then she will go to Bosnia. And this is me in Bulgaria. I'm in the 7 lakes of Rila. Rila? I think, yeah, something like that. And yes, this is my hat of explorer, and this is my bag because I'm an explorer in Bulgaria.
Yeah, perfect explorer. And Simon is also somewhere gone.
Yeah. He's
He's in Sardinia. He's kite surfing.
He's in Sardinia.
Yep. What is that? Look at that. Yeah.
Biking around the sun.
Ryan is
Super happy.
Simon is always happy.
Hello guys, this is for guest vlog, and I just wanted to show that I have everything ready for my solo trip. I'm going to Bulgaria, they are going to Italy, and Eugenie is already in Croatia and I'm in Bosnia. So I'm a explorer, apparently. I bought this only for the trip because I was going to the mountains, but there's like ice and I cannot go to the mountains anymore. But at least I'm going to Sofia and I have everything ready for my solo trip. So I guess see you in Bulgaria. Bye! So this is our last workshop, like we are in Medvodia school, it's Friday, I don't know which day, 24th of April, and yeah, we are having so much fun. We are recording all the movie and then we are going there on vacation. But yeah, that was so cool, like all the workshops, all the kids. Like I'm a little sad it ends, but at the same time, I don't know, we are moving to another stage of our life, you know. So today we are recording a whole movie and Dane is gonna be the monster because he's like, yeah, you can see here, he's the monster. He's a real actor.
Hey, I'm a fucking monster.
That doesn't, we have to make this over here. So his. Okay.
So we are leaving the school. That was our last experience as a teacher, at least probably for me. I don't know, maybe in the future. Who knows, someone is a teacher. But for now, last experience. That was a pretty good ending. And now, vacations! We're going to leave all the things in the office and then going to Ljubljana and going to take the bus to Bulgaria and Italy.
Hi guys, I'm in Bulgaria. Actually, I'm in Bulgaria for 3 days now. Like tomorrow is my last day, but I'm a disaster and I forgot to record. So I will tell you where I am right now. Like right now, I'm in the Rila Monastery. I came like to Rila Mountains just for the monastery, and I came to a walk here because we have a lot of time, and it's super pretty. Okay, it's like I will show later the Rila Monastery, but the forest near is also super pretty, and the mountains, like they are like snow in the mountains, and it's almost May, but it's super pretty. And we met like I met super cool people in the hostel. Like they were super nice. Like the first day we were like for a tour in Sofia, like a bar tour, and then the next day I did like yesterday I did a free tour, and later we went like to Vitosha mountains that are really cool. We did a little hike. It was not like super big hike because we didn't have enough time, but it was like so cool. We saw the sunset, yeah, and that's it. And then tomorrow I'm leaving in the night, but I still have time, so I will explore a little bit more of Sofia. I'm super happy. This is cool. So probably see you in Slovenia. Bye.